Hi everyone, how's everybody doing today? I want to show you how to make this cute bee wreath. It's really simple and beautiful. Please keep watching and see how to make it. So this is what you would need to make the bee wreath. So you would need some black fabric. This was from Dollar Tree. You would need 3 hard wreath forms. These were from Dollar Tree too. You would need a soccer little wreath form. That was from Dollar Tree too. You will need some yellow fabric. This is from Walmart. And also some Burlap fabric. That was from Walmart too. For ribbon, you will need some black ribbon. Also, if you can find fabric that has stripes on it, that will work good if it's black stripes. Or you couldn't find it, so we're going to use black ribbon. Also, you need a polka dot ribbon for the bow and bumblebee one, a sunflower one, and also a plaid one. But also you could do different kinds, but these are the ones we're going to use today. So we'll set them down here. And also you will need some zip ties. You will need a hot glue gun and some hot glue sticks. You will need 2 pieces of wire for the antennas. You can find wire like at Walmart or any craft store if you like. And some rope. Right here. We got this kind of rope from Hobby Lobby, but you could get it from Dollar Tree, but you get a big roll of it at Hobby Lobby for $3 and something. So that is all you need to make, and a pair of scissors to make this beautiful wreath. Please keep watching. Now it's time to get your fabric ready. We made sure the black will fit the circle. You want to cut a rectangle out of fabric to fit the amount of the heart. Now you need 2 square pieces for the other 2 hearts, and then you're ready for the next step. Now you want to glue your heart, the burlap over your heart. Just do what I'm doing here. Just make sure you pull it tight enough, and also put some of these things that I put on my finger because it was getting really hot when I'm touching it. So you just glue it all around the heart, and then till you get done, and you will cut it when you're on the very top of it. And now you have both your hearts done, and you're ready for the next heart. Now you want to make sure you fold your fabric in half with the rectangle that you made. Also glue the end of it where it's open at, so it'd be much easier to glue. So now I am just gluing it on like I did the other one. But this one is maybe not as hot when you touch it, but I just kept them on to make sure it didn't burn me. Now I'm gluing the ribbon onto the yellow fabric heart, and you just cut it to the length of the areas that the straps are gonna be at. So I just going to glue the ends right there and just kept on cutting it, and you just go to the top. Now you want to glue your black fabric onto the wing form, and you just keep doing that, and when you're done, just cut the excess of the fabric and we're ready for the next step. Now you want to put holes into your bee. You want 3 places to put it together for the head to be put together. Now you want to do in them areas that I'm showing. You just get something to poke a hole into the fabric, and you just put it together. And then you just cut the zip ties, and then you do the other part next. Now you want to zip tie the pieces together, the wings. You want to zip tie them in 2 areas like I'm showing. And you just find the area you want to put your wing. And then you just poke some holes at the end of both areas, and you put the zip tie through. And you got your wings on. It's a little crooked, but it still turned out amazing. Now you want to glue your rope around the whole bee, and just keep gluing it, and just watch what I'm doing, and you can do any color rope you like, but we like the brown kind. So I'm going on the wings and the body of the bee and the head of it. Cole wanted me to rub him a little bit, so I just took a little break. Now you slide a piece of wire down the rope, and then you keep a little excess out so you can poke a hole and put it behind the rope like I'm doing, so you can wrap around the wire of the wreath form. You're going to do it for both antennas, and then you can put your antennas any way you like. Now you get 4 pieces of ribbon like I did. We cut it for 10, like 10 sunflowers or 10 bees, and then we folded it together and made it like 2 centers touch to make it like a little bow. And then you would zip tie it together, and I'm just going to put the tail on it too for it to be hanging. Now you want to fluff it out, like, flatten it to the areas you want the pieces of the bow to be. And then you will fluff it out. And then you would get a little piece to put between the bow. And I was using plaid kind because it like matches all really good. And then you just glue that in the center so it'll hide the zip tie. And then you're done making your bow. It's really simple to make. Now you just glue on your cute little bow that you made. You can make a smaller one or a bigger one. And then you'll finish with your cute little bee. You can add more to it if you like, but I thought the bow looked great. Thank you so much for watching today, and please remember Jesus loves you, and I hope you'll have a lovely day. Bye!